homies, thanks for checking out this video. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I am big on self-care. And if you're not following me yet, you can find me on Instagram at I am Taylor Rain and subscribe to my channel here for more videos from me. I do always say that self-care is more than a spa day, and that is because I can't relax if I'm worried about something or I have a lot on my mind, but once I am relaxed, I love to have a facial and a nice bath. So I decided to take over the guest bathroom, and I have now turned that into my self-care sanctuary. So I wanted to take you all into the space and show you how and where I'm going to be doing my self-care. Okay, so here is the bathroom, and it's right up here at the front. And right away, you see I have this wreath, and this actually was in the Christmas section at Joann's, but I thought it was really pretty, so I'm deciding to leave it up all year. And let's go ahead and get into the bathroom. I went with these pictures right here because they're very calming, and I like the blue, and I thought that it was a nice cool color that could bring some serenity into the space. So we've got these pictures here, which I got from HomeGoods, and they came in a set both together. And then over here we've got, also I believe is from HomeGoods, and these are sections out of a geode. Here I just have some decorative towels that are folded, and this is a candle that I have sitting in some broken glass for decoration as well. That is the trash can, and then this is a basket for my dirty towels. Clock is really just for decoration because I am not good at telling time like that. I always look on my phone. And this is the lotion, and that's the soap. The lotion is low because I forgot to get it last time I went to the store, and I'm trying not to really go that much, you know, because of the Rona, but that would usually be where some lotion is. And then right here is where I'm taking off my jewelry after the day is over, and my ring and stuff like that. And then these are some bath bombs, and this one is actually more so for decoration. I have some other bath bombs that I actually use, but they're sitting in the broken glass as well. And I thought that that was a cute spa-like decoration because if you were at the spa, you know, you would pick it up and go and use one and stuff like that. And on the mirror, this actually didn't have this frame on it before, and we went and got baseboards, which is what this is, and cut them on the 45-degree angle and put them up here. And it's just temporary, and we can easily take it off, but it makes it look a lot more finished, and it also goes with the cabinets, so that brings a good finished look to the space. And then over here, this is the towel area, and I think that this is what really gives the space that spa-like feeling because of the way that the towels are folded, and also the fact that they are just pure white. I have some bath salts, and over here are some sponges, and I actually tore them up and tried to make them look more natural because they came just as a circular sponge, but when I tore them up, it makes it look like it was under the sea. And these are the body towels, the hand towels, and the washcloths that you would use. And then here I have some folded up towels for exfoliation, along with the specialty soaps that I can use if I'm feeling a little extra fancy. Down here I have some robes, and then this is the rug that you would put down to step out on after you get out of the shower or the tub. And then in here I have the extra toilet paper. If you guys want to know more about how I folded up these towels to get a nice crisp look, then just let me know and I can make a tutorial about how I do that and how to get a spa-like feeling in your bathroom as well. I think a spa feel is all about neutrals and keeping stuff nice and crisp and clean looking. Like, as you can tell, I don't have a lot of products just sitting around because if you were at the spa, you wouldn't really see things like that. They would be more so bringing stuff to you. Some decorative sticks from IKEA. The shower curtain is from HomeGoods, and I believe the hooks are from HomeGoods as well. And then just here in the tub is where I will be relaxing. I've got my body scrub right there, and I put a candle there for if I'm taking a bath. It's not gonna actually live in the tub because I don't want it getting wet and stuff, but whenever I get ready to actually sit down and take a bubble bath, I'm gonna be putting that there. And then I have a hook here for a towel, and that's pretty much it. So that is the space. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you click the like button and subscribe for more videos from me. I am going to be working on a self-care series where I'm going to be talking about the products that I'll be using and everything that I do for my mindset, since that's such a big part of self-care as well. I hope that you all are staying safe and healthy. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you've been doing for your self-care, and I will see you in the next one.